Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to beat your face with just $65. I went to Walgreens and I got a whole bunch of drugstore makeup worth of $65. Foundations, eyebrows, concealers, all of that good stuff. I literally got everything for you guys so I can show you exactly how to beat your face on a budget. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows first with this Wet n Wild eyebrow in soft brown, and I'm just gonna be combing up my eyebrows first like I always do, just to tame them a little bit. And I'm just gonna color my eyebrows. Keep combing it in between so you exactly see what you are doing. To finish your eyebrows, we're gonna start on the face, and the primer that I got is the Wet n Wild Rose Primer, and I'm just rubbing it on my face. It smells so freaking good, like so yummy. It smells so yummy. It smells like rose. Just really make sure I get my whole face. Now I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I got it in the shade Soft Beige. Putting it on my face like that. I never tried this foundation, guys. This is my first time using it. And it looks really, really nice. And it's blending super nice. Like, this consistency is not dry at all. It actually feels hydrating. And it's my color. And I kind of like this applicator. This applicator is like, you know, like a flat surface, and it's easy to apply. Honestly, you guys, this foundation is really nice. It doesn't feel dry at all. It doesn't feel cakey. It is not blotchy or anything, and it's so nice. Like this, it looks like skin, honestly, and it's just $5.99. Next, I'm gonna be using the concealer again that I got, and I'm just gonna be applying it under my eyes and my highlighted areas that I want highlighted. It's like lightweight, I would say, so if you want like a nice full coverage under eye, I suggest doing it, you know, more than once. And I'm just gonna be taking my Rose Photo Focus. It smells so good, guys. So freaking good. Honestly, people be underestimating drugstore products just because they're cheaper and it's not, you know, fancy or expensive, but these products are actually amazing, I think. And I kind of underestimated drugstore products because I barely have any in my collection, but now honestly I'm kind of into it. And like, you don't have to spend triple the amount of money for the same look. You feel me, guys? So I'm gonna be going again with the concealer because, like I said, it's lightweight and I want more coverage on my bottom eye. quick. So now I'm gonna be setting under my eyes before they crease, and I'm gonna just be using the Fit Me Loose Powder, and I got it in the color Fair. I'll go straight in with the powder. Pretty good. I can tell automatically it's like blurring. Yeah, this is very nice. A little bit of my nose and my smile area, just because I do get a lot of creasing there. And now with my brush, I'm just gonna powder all over my face. Remember this brush, guys? Powder my face. Under here. Now I'm just gonna brush away as I'm kind of like tapping it in, but I'm gonna brush it away. The powder. Once that is all done, I'm just gonna spray my face with this Wet n Wild Rose Spray again, and it smells so amazing. Can't wait to spray it all over my face. I'm gonna be using a bronzer to just contour my face and just put dimension into my face. So I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. This bronzer was $9.99. It was $10. And I'm just gonna use it to bronze my face and to contour. It's a very nice bronzer. It's not too dark, not too orange. It's perfect. Like I said, guys, I just go more up rather than down because it makes it look nicer. Doing a little to my forehead. Just making sure I got a nice contoured line. Now I'm just going to be taking this brush now, this big bronzer brush, and I'm just going to be going in with the same bronzer that I used to contour, and I'm just going to be going over it again. Once you get your contour all done, nice on fleek, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blush in the color Pearlescent Pink. Wow. The pigment on these is crazy. I feel like this one is better than my Tarte one, to be honest. Contour again with the same bronzer. I'm just going to be spraying my face again so all of the powders and stuff comes together. I love this smell so much. Okay. This face is looking really nice and flawless. It looks very seamless, guys. I'm actually very surprised on these drugstore products. And same thing right over here. And while this is baking, I'm just gonna start on my eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow that I got is the Wet n Wild. I love these colors, are so nice. I don't know, the blue really stood out to me. This is the Not a Basic Peach palette. I'm just gonna be taking this first transition color right over here. Okay, so far I see a whole bunch of fallout, which, you know, that can be a good thing. And I'm just gonna be adding it into my crease for a transition color. I'm just gonna be taking this bottom color right here. I don't know what colors these are. I don't think it says the names, but I'm just gonna be taking this color right here, and I'm just gonna be adding it to the end of my eyes. Going in with the first brush again and just blending it together. I'm gonna be going in with this blue color just because it looks very nice, and I'm just gonna put it on my finger. I kind of want it more blue, so I'm just gonna take my brush, put more on top. The blue is not that pigmented, like it is, but not that much. So I'm just gonna keep putting it on top. The formulas are good though, I like it. And I'm gonna do the gold shimmer right over here, and I'm just gonna put it right over here. Ooh, it's pretty cute. Just the same thing. This eye look was like blue honey, and honestly guys, this didn't even take long at all. You know it didn't. It's very effortless as well. I'm gonna apply these lashes on. These are very, very cute. Look how cute they are. And these are called Lacy. And I'm just gonna apply these off camera. So I plopped on these eyelashes. They're so nice, I love them. They're so beautiful. And now I'm just gonna wipe away this powder that I had here baking for so long. Use this brush better. You guys, spraying your face in the middle and after and before your makeup is like very crucial, just because like it just sets everything in place, and it just like, oh my god, it smells so good. And it just like makes everything look seamless. Now I'm just gonna do the bottom eyeshadow. Lastly, I'm just gonna be doing a highlighter, and I chose the Wet n Wild highlighter. I heard these are really good, but I never tried them. These are called the Mega Glows, and I got it in Precious Petals. It's very nice. I love it. It's like not so shiny, but it's like noticeable. It just looks very natural. You have a glow, but it's not like, you know how some highlighters is like, okay, like that's a little bit too much. This is like awesome. Like an exclamation point right there. I'm just gonna be highlighting my brows. I'm gonna be taking this NYX liner in the color Natural, and I'm just gonna be lining my lips. So now I'm just gonna be using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss. It was so hard to take out. This is like a lip gloss, guys. Let's see. I don't know, I'm not really getting a lot of product, so let's try that again. It's like very sticky and hard to take out. It's really cute though, with a nice brown natural lip liner. I'm gonna add more just because I like the gloss. I love gloss so much. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna be adding eyeliner on the bottom and my eyelashes on the bottom off camera just because my camera's gonna die right now. So I'll be right back. Whole final look. This is the $65 beatdown. This honestly looks very amazing. Like, I'm so surprised at these products. I'm surprised at the foundation that I got. I'm surprised at everything. This bronzer is amazing. I'm gonna be using this every time. What else? This is honestly amazing. Like, this is, how much did I say this was? Like $7.79 or something like that. Yo, like, honestly, everything looks good. Everything looks flawless. I literally have no complaints. This rose water is amazing. I love it. It smells so banging. Like, and then like, just everything, you guys. Like, I'm so in love. And I'm happy I spent the $65 to show you guys, you know, drugstore products. And I'm happy that I got it because I don't own any drugstore products, and I'm just happy because, you know, I'm gonna start using drugstore products a lot of the times now, just because, like, you know, who wants to spend $45 on one palette? You know what I mean? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.